Hello and welcome to another uMake tutorial. My name is Nico, and in this tutorial I'm going to talk to you about the My Designs section within uMake. The My Design section is where all of your designs live, and you can find it by tapping on the icon right of the plus button. So it's to the right of the plus button where you create your new files, and this icon looks like a little avatar. This is where your files live. This is where all of your creations are accessible. And by using My Designs and the various features we're going to cover in this tutorial, you can organize how your designs appear and how you work with your designs. To open up a design, you can simply just tap on any of the thumbnails and that will open up the design. To get back to the My Designs part, simply tap on the arrow at the top menu to the left, and that'll take you back to My Designs. All right, so what other features are there? Well, you can see these colored boxes at the top. These are what are called collections. A collection is kind of like a folder with multiple designs in it. So if I tap on this one, for example, I have several designs that are around a specific theme, in this case, exhibits. To go back to the main File Manager section, just tap on the arrow to the left and that'll take you back. If you want to create your own collection, it's pretty easy. Simply tap on the Edit button at the top. Select the designs you want to create a collection with, like that. Just tap on them. That'll select them. And then come down to the bottom and you'll see a menu with a couple different options. To create the collection, we're going to tap on the icon that looks like a folder. Give it a name. I'm going to call this Miscellaneous Files. Give it a color. I'm going to do purple. Tap OK. And now I have moved those three files into, or those three designs into a new folder, which I can now go inside of. Now, if I'm inside of a collection and I create a new design, like this, say this is my new design. If I go back, that new design will stay within that collection. It's really helpful for working with a specific theme. So if I'm working on, for example, a house design and I want to work on a set of furniture for the house and I want to keep it all in one collection, I can do that really easily. So that file will live in the house design collection, for example. Now, if I don't want that design, I can easily delete it as well. I'm going to tap on the Edit button, select the design I don't need anymore, and tap the Delete button, which is a little trash can icon. Tap Delete, and that design is no longer there. Now, if I select another design, for example, I have a couple other options. For example, starting from the left, if I tap the exclamation point here, it'll create an email, and this will email the uMake support team to ask them about a problem with a file. So I'm going to send that to the uMake support team, and pretty soon they will receive an email saying that there is a file issue that they can look into. If I want to export this design, I can tap on the little arrow pointing up, and I can export this to a uMake file format, or if I'm a pro subscriber, or if you're a pro subscriber, you can tap on the OBJ, IGES, or STP file formats. I can create a duplicate of this design just by tapping on this little plus button, and that'll quickly create a duplicate of that file. And that's about it when you're in the Edit section. One last thing. If I want to move some designs out of a collection, if I don't feel that I need them in a collection any longer, I can simply select the designs I want to move outside, tap the little icon down in the bottom right, and those will be moved to the general file manager area. Once I'm done editing, tap the done icon. I'm going to exit out of this collection. I'll go back, and those two files that I pushed out are now here. So that's about it for the file manager. Pretty simple to use, and if you have any questions, comment, or feedback for us, feel free to let us know. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hope you have a great day, guys. Take care.